Hey folks, this video is part of a series on GitHub Copilot feature highlights. To find the other videos, go to github-copilot.zebia.ms.
GitHub Copilot Chat is AI-assisted chat which is fully integrated into your editor. So anytime you have any question, you don't need even to leave your IDE. You stay there and ask any question which you have. So first of all, you need to install the extension for GitHub Copilot Chat. And after that, you will have an icon here, a button from the top, which is called Open Chat. You click on this and chat appears from the right by default. And there are a couple of options available. You can start a new chat here. You can go to histories, just show chats, which will, you can open any chat you started earlier. And of course, you will interact with this section where you can type your prompt. And if you have even improved your experience with the chat, not typing only prompts, you can use available special commands. And by special commands, I mean agents, slash commands, and hashtag commands in Visual Studio Code available. To check the list of all available commands, you need to start with slash help. And that will bring you the list of available commands. And if you are talking about agents, agents are assistants which help you to collect all relevant information before sending your prompt to produce the suggestions by LLM. So for example, you have any question related to a workspace or your code base, local code base, you need to use add workspace, which will collect first all the relevant files to your prompt, and that those relevant files will be taken as a part of the context and sent together with your prompt to produce you the suggestions. At VS Code, you can ask questions about VS Code. If you are really new to editor or you have any question, it will address first to documentation of VS Code and then produce you a suggestion back. At terminal, you can ask any terminal related to terminal commands. Or if, for example, you need to extend even that experience, you can install with latest upgrade, you can install chat extensions. For example, Add Vision Agent will help you with attaching images which will be taken as a part of the context also with you, together with your prompt. And slash commands, for example, those are commands which improve your experience in making your prompt very short and prompting in very quick or little time. If, for example, we are talking about unit tests, you can type a prompt, could you please generate me a unit test? But instead of that long prompt, you can use just slash test command, and that will produce you the unit test for selected code. There are a bunch of slash commands you can use just as shortcuts, and I'm pretty sure that there is an intelligence behind which can make your prompt improved and really short. And there are also available hashtag commands in Visual Studio which can improve your experience while providing the context you're using together with prompt. For example, hashtag editor, which will take as a part of the context active active code in your editor. Or I really enjoy hashtag terminal last command. So anytime I have any question, not any question, but any problem from my terminal, like from output, I use hash terminal last command, and that brings the last command with all the output to Copilot chat, and it based on that information, it produces the suggestion back or the answer based on your issue. And I'm very often using hashtag file command, which with that command I specify which file will be taken as a part of the context. So I'm making my request really explicit.
Visit github-copilot.zebia.ms for the other videos.